Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can view your Adobe Express account and how you can change that, how you can view that. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the Google Chrome, and after opening Google Chrome, as you can see, the Adobe Express is here. After that, simply we have to click on this profile icon, and after clicking on the profile icon, here's the option for the manage account. So we have to click on the manage account. So as you can see, I have already opened it here. So as you can see, you will be able to see all the details here, like your connected email, and if you have set it any kind of password, you can also view that here. And as you can see, you will be able to see some other options as well. You can use them like Adobe Express free plan, Adobe Acrobat Reader, Behance, Adobe Lightroom, and all the options are provided here. Firstly, you just need to create an account on the Adobe, and after creating account here, you can log in with that account on the Adobe Express as well. It's very easy to understand and it's very to easy use as well. You just have to create an account on the Adobe, and with that login and password and info details, you can use those for your Adobe Express account. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can view your Adobe Express account and how you can use it. So see you guys in the next video.